Roses. The roses are red. Candle. The candle is red. Strawberries. Strawberries are red too. Car. This car is red. Apple. The squirrel eats the red apple. Lips. Red lips. Tomato. Tomatoes are red. Nails. Her nails are red. Grass. The grass is green. Bird. This bird is green. Broccoli. Broccolis are green. Dress. The dress is green. Cactus. Some cactuses are green. Avocado. Avocados are green. Grapes. These are green grapes. Snake. This is a green snake. Trees. These trees are green. Balloon. This balloon is blue. Blueberries. Blueberries are blue. Flag. This flag is blue. Bucket. She has a blue bucket. Jeans. Her jeans are blue. Umbrella. The umbrella is blue. Ball. The ball is blue. Glove. This glove is blue. Water. The water seems blue. Ducklings. These ducklings are yellow. Banana. Bananas are yellow. Flower. This flower is yellow. Corn. Corn is yellow. Fish. This fish is yellow. Bus. The bus is yellow. Lemons. Lemons are yellow.